How to enable camera access for Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can enable your camera access on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on your mobile settings. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on apps and notifications and then tap on Snapchat. Now as you can see, the notifications for camera is not allowed. The permission is not granted for that feature. So what you're gonna do is simply tap on camera, and once you do that, tap on allow while using the app. Once you do that, you are good to go. Your camera access for Snapchat will be enabled and you can use it on Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.